Hey, buddy.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm skipping up apples.
And what are we doing with them?
We're doing patterns.
Patterns. We are doing patterns. Can you show everyone how we do this pattern? What's the pattern here? Green. What's next? That's good enough. That's good.
Red.
Are you sure? Check your pattern. Check your pattern. Look, come back over here. What's your pattern over here?
Green, green, red. Green, green, red.
So then what's your pattern? Very good. Now what's next?
Red.
All right, and then what? And what's last? Very nice. Can you say it out loud? What's your pattern? Don't take it off yet.
Green, green, red. Green, green, red.
Very nice. Can we show our friends another way to do apple picking if they don't have this? Here. If you have pom-poms, you can also do a pattern with those. Alex, can you listen to Mommy? I'd like you to put yellow right here. One yellow, one red, one yellow.
I want yellow.
Alex, what would come next?
Green.
No, I didn't put in green. It's yellow, red, yellow,
Red.
red. So you could use pom-poms for this activity.
Or you could do this.
Can you make me a pattern, Alex? Go ahead, make me a pattern. Use all three colors this time. Can you do red, yellow, green?
Red, yellow, green.
Very good. What comes next then?
Red, yellow, green.
Very good.
Red, yellow, green.
Very good, buddy. So you could use pom-poms. You could use Fruit Loops. You could use anything that has different colors. Or Fruit Loops to make a pattern. And buddy, when we make this pattern, I want you to go like this.
You could do this. Or you could do.
So you're going to just...
On the apple tree.
They could fall all down. All right, thank you, everyone. Here's my other lovely, ready to help us today. So have fun making patterns and enjoying different ways to enjoy some apple activities. Stay tuned this week for lots more apple activities with our kiddos. Remember, guys, see each moment as a chance to learn, create, and have fun. Bye, guys.